All right. Today's adventure, we've got young Oliver. You guys saw him in that last Pike video. He was the kid in the background shouting. He came out to us with the net and he said, "Can I go fishing with you?" So we checked with his dad, and yes, he has permission to be in this video. And yes, he subscribed. Yeah, he did. He's a subscriber to the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? But anyway, let's get into this video. He was completely excited. We caught a bunch of pike, and I know he's going to be excited to see himself on film. So let's get at it. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Fishing with Paul B. Oliver on the pike. Oh, look, it's still there. Oh, he's on again. Oh, cast it back out. Oh, Ollie on the pike. Oliver on the pike at the boat. Hey, oh!
Oh, it's stuck in the oar.
Oh, it's okay.
No,
Let out a little line if you can. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now lift the tip. Don't reel, just lift the tip. And bring them over. There you go. Oliver got a pike. Oh, look at him. Oliver's.
See a little guy.
Oh, wow. Oliver's pike. Oop. What do you say? Fishing with Paul B, baby.
Fishing with Paul B, baby.
There he goes. Oh. Oh.
We're gonna tip.
It's okay. Here, we got it. You have belly up. We got to get over there and help him. Let's see if he hits the surface and turns around. There he is. See, turned over, and he's gone. Hey, high five, Ollie. Oh yeah, buddy. Fish slam. Fish with Paul B, baby. All right, Mr. Oliver caught a pike. Thought he had pliers in his tackle box, which he did not. So I had to do my least favorite thing and reach in the mouth of a pike, which I couldn't do. It was too far. So we had to get the hook with another hook, pull it out his gills, and then disconnect everything. But now what do we got?
Pliers.
We got pliers. Let's go get more fish. Kid, I saw you had a pike. That was good. You lost him at the boat, though. Oliver back on the pike. Oh, he's going around the front of the boat. Here, let's do this. There you go. Okay. Oh, not bad. Oh, he's just little. Oh, geez, you got him hooked in the eyeball. Okay, we should probably keep the pliers out and keep them ready. All right.
It fell through the back.
Yeah.
So I think
Okay, you got him? Okay. And there you go. What do you say?
Fishing with Paul B, baby.
All right, why don't we let him go? Just real gentle. Make sure he swims away. He's probably not gonna. Is he all right? Oh, there he is. And there he goes, swimming away. Oh, you got a fish. Is that a fish? Yeah. You got a fish?
Mm-hmm.
Where is he? Man, Ollie the fish slayer. Not ready yet, eh? Oh, he's a big boy. You gonna net him? You want me to? Or are you gonna net him? Oh, not ready yet. We gotta get this guy unhooked because the hook is holding all that net. Come on, dude. I'll try it. All right. What do you say?
Fishing with Paul B, baby.
Let's get him in the water. He's under his belly and then put him in the water. Think they're good?
I can watch it later.
Okay.
It's good for now.
All right.
Yeah,
So we're just rowing back, and Ollie decides to just troll while we're rowing. And what does he do? Catches a fish on the perch swim bait. Oh yeah, you can tell it's a fish. Oh yeah, nice one. Here, bring him over here. I think I'll just. He got him to the edge of the boat. What did he do?
I'm wet.
Slapped the edge of the boat and unhooked himself. So, well, kind of abruptly ended. The footage after that was corrupted. It just had no sound. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed fishing with young Oliver there. Again, subscribe, and like it, share it, put it on Facebook. It all helps. Comment below. I love your guys' comments. Keep them coming, and see you on the next video. Yo!
When you're fishing with Bobby.